Let me turn down the music. Turn off the music. Hi everyone, that's me Gleb. And I'm glad to meet you here. Yes, not glad, but glad to meet you, yes. And today, another stream of Gleb Solves Show, where I'm continuing to build my English channel, you see. Because building a channel is a very tedious, hard work. You have to shoot videos or make streams. You have to make content. So I'm making content and having fun because I like to have fun. Okay, cool. We are here to have fun with Stratascratch, the platform where you can practice your data science skills. And data science skills are, first of all, SQL, then pandas, and also you can practice non-coding question here like probability, test cases, like a probability, like brain teasers, like I don't know how many gas stations in New York. Absolutely logical, man. Like, yeah, thank you, channel birds. Bird is the world. Bird is the word. Like Griffin has this song. Okay, so let's go. Let's get started. By the way, I don't need headphones here because I'm not like listening to anything. Okay, let's start with a warm-up. What is this? Let's start with warm-up because you should always warm up before your interviews or before solving difficult questions. By the way, when you are preparing to a coding interview, my advice, yes, of course, is to work hard, yes, and practice whatever skill you practice every day. But my advice for the time immediately before the interview, what should you do? And in my opinion, if it is a technical interview, you should warm up yourself with some simple problems, yes, to enter the meeting, the interview with like some properly warmed up. You see, that will benefit you very much. And also, you see, if you have, you can like solve one simple problem like in half an hour before the interview. And right before the interview, I recommend you to warm up your soft skills and to relax a little bit. So the perfect way to do it is to watch some comedy. I don't know, some stand-up show or some sketch, whatever you are love to, whatever comedy you love, you see. And when if you watch comedy before the interview, you enter interview relaxed, in the good mood, and that's the very good. Yes, when you are relaxed, you are most efficient. So that's the advice from Gleb. Always have fun, warm up technically, warm up in soft skills also. Cool. Yeah, let's find some easy question. Difficulty. Let's find easy one. ESPN general practice. Order all countries by the year they first participated in the Olympics. Okay, not a problem. Let's do this one. And by the way, I also have my chat GPT opened here. There is some updates, December 15 version update. We have begun to roll out chat history. Whoa. You'll soon be able to view and continue your past conversations. Pretty convenient. Among other improvements, you will notice that ChatGPT is now less likely to refuse to answer questions. Cool. We'll look forward to feedback. Yeah, good job. Well done. So here is the history of my chats. Yeah. So you better not see what I asked ChatGPT. Trust me. Today, I don't know. I'm a bit tired of ChatGPT because everyone today talking about ChatGPT, making video about ChatGPT. So I don't know. Today I want to be a human and to exercise my knowledge in SQL and not compare myself to stupid machine. Just joking, because I love ChatGPT. I think it's great. Okay. Order all countries by the year they first participated in the Olympics. Not a problem. No problemo. Order all countries by the year they first participated in the Olympics. By the way, this expression "no problemo," I've heard it in a TV show called Modern Family, and one of the main characters, Phil Dunphy, loves to say this phrase "no problemo." Order all countries by the year they first participated in the Olympics. Output the National Olympics Committee NOC name along with the desired year. Sort records by the year and the NOC in ascending order. Okay, now let's do it. Let's do it. Here is the table. Olympic athletes events. Okay, so here is the name of the athlete, sex, age, height, weight, team, NOC. That's the National Olympics Committee. Okay. Sort the records by the... So what should I output? Order all countries, yeah? So how can I understand the country here? By the NOC, yeah? Output the National Olympics, sort the record. So I think you just have to calculate the minimum date. No? Do we have year? Here is the year. Oh my god, that's 1924. But by the way, where did first Olympics happened? It was somewhere in ancient Greece, I believe. Yes, maybe even before the current century. How to say BC? Yes, if you say that's interesting. Okay, just kidding. T. Ask GPT. Yeah, cool. NOC. Ancient Greece. 100 BC, I think, something like this. I get for this task. I think Wikipedia will do better job than ChatGPT actually. But maybe, ChatGPT will give me a good summary of this actually, yeah. So here is the NOC, and I should make the an ls here, min t year, and I will order by second column, just 2 here, like this. Oops. I should use a group by, of course, yes. Group by T NOC. Yeah. So the history starts here, 1900s. Okay. Order the countries by the year they first participate in the Olympics. Yes. And what if what if they have same date? How should I order the countries in that case? They did not specify this, so we leave it like this, kind of random. Check solution. Solved. Yeah, cool. Okay, back to questions. First one done. Let's have another easy one. Reviews of Hotel Arena. Sounds strange. Find the number of rows for each review score earned by Hotel Arena. That's some particular hotel, I believe. Output the hotel name, which should be Hotel Arena. Surprise, surprise. Review score along with the corresponding number of rows with that score for the specified hotel. I have to read it one more time. Find the number of rows for each review score owned by Hotel Arena. Output the hotel name, should be Hotel Arena, yes, makes sense. Review score, output the hotel name, review score, along with corresponding number of rows with that score for specified hotel. Cannot understand. Output the hotel name, okay, review score, okay, along with the corresponding number of rows with that score for the specified hotel. So here is, I think they ask me to just count number of rows. Okay, so let's examine the table first of all. Yes, so it's always a good idea to start. Glad to see you, Gleb. Yeah, and I'm of course Gleb to see you. Yes, that's the trademark of this channel. Okay, table is a bit awkward because of these long descriptions. Oh my god, positive review. Review total positive word counts. Okay, total number of reviews. Days since review. And also latitude and longitude. Okay, so again, Hotel Arena. Let's just filter out by this hotel where T, and let's see where the hotel name is stored. Hotel address, hotel name, yeah, should be it. Hotel name equals Hotel Arena. Bam. Let's see. Yes, I got it. Amsterdam. Okay, so here is how many records I have for this hotel, how many reviews, yes, I should say. A bit of them, yeah. So output the hotel name, review score, yeah. Oh, just count of reviews, yes, and average score, not average score. Oops, accidentally make a step back. My god, I hope that my code is here. Whew. Yeah, so review date, average score, and total number of, oops, I did it again. Tags, day since review. Okay, so we only have this average review, so I will use it. Average score. here I will put T hotel name, then T average score, and here just count one, you see. And I have to add these columns to group by. Bam. And we have hotel name average score 7.7, count 16. I don't know, let's check it. I don't know. Check solution. Failed. I failed miserably here. A review reviewer score, I think, yes. Do we have this field here? Yep. So I just when I was examining this table, I just missed this column, so used some strange column. So that's why I'm warming up, you see, to warm up my attention, to warm up my concentration, and of course to warm up my sense of humor. Yes, because I'm going to make jokes. And by the way, during interview, it's a good idea to make jokes. Yes, but be careful. You have to like gradually check the atmosphere of that interview, and then try to make some jokes, because jokes, like people love jokes, you see. Even a job interview, because you see all day long you are conducting job interviews, and then some fun guy comes to you and you can relax and chat with him, and of course you will want to hire this guy and not some boring smart nerd, you see. Back to questions. So I'm ready to medium one, I believe. Medium. By the way, I don't remember, have I solved any hard questions during this stream? During these streams? Yes, this show is has 5 streams now, but I don't remember. Maybe one hard question, maybe no, I don't remember. Okay, let's continue with Airbnb. Find the total number of available beds per host nationality. Per host's nationality. Okay, no problemo again. 2 tables. Find the total number of available beds per host nationality. Output the nationality along with the corresponding total number of available beds. Sort record by the total available beds in descending order. Okay, one more time. Find the total number of available beds per host's nationality. Okay, output the nationality along with the corresponding total number of available beds. Okay, sort. So here, host ID, apartment type, and beds and bedrooms, country, city, and here is the nationality. So this question is a medium. Is medium just because you have to join 2 tables, yeah? Yep, I like your jokes, thank you, especially about Vinogradny Den. Yes, Vinogradny Den, you can translate it in English like Grapes Day. That's the legendary drink in Russia of 2000s. Yes, it is popular since, I believe, 2001 or 2000. I don't know, maybe early. We have to ask the history of this drink. Yes, when it first was introduced into the culture. That's interesting. Maybe that's the good question to ask ChatGPT about. What's the foundation date of a Grapes Day, the legendary drink, alcoholic drink. It's pretty cheap, by the way, but it still exists. I saw it maybe last time I saw this drink 3 years ago, I believe. Yeah. I saw when I was walking out some convenience store, two homeless persons sit near the porch and drank this wonderful beverage. Okay. Cool. Host ID, apartment type, and beds and bedrooms, country, USA. Let's now join these babies. Left join, yes. So default one is left joins, but at some of previous streams I used left join, but actually the question I solved it incorrectly. The question required inner join, and I missed it. But default one is definitely left join. So if you are not sure what to use left join, because inner join you need only to filter, and other joins you just don't need them. That's it. End of story. R&B hosts, left join R&B hosts, here a he and a h on t host ID t host ID equals a h, and here we have host ID also. Okay. And now I will use a h dot, here's nationality, and I'm going to just sum up number of bets, t and bets like this, yeah. And let's have it in group by also. Group by, bam. Here it is, yes. China, Luxembourg, Brazil, Australia, USA, Mali. Okay. And sort records by the total available bets in descending order. Okay, order by, and here again I use the index of the column, order by 2, and in descending order we use keyword desk. Descending, run code, Luxembourg, a lot of Luxembourg property here. Yeah, solved. Cool. So for now I'm solving problems very well. I'm happy. Let's see what do we have here. City of San Francisco, Frisco. Find the lowest score for each facility in Hollywood Boulevard. I only know Boulevard of Broken Dreams, the legendary song by Green Day. And by the way, I was drinking the Grapes Day and listening to this wonderful song many times, I think. Find the lowest score for each facility in Hollywood Boulevard. Find the lowest score per each facility in Hollywood Boulevard. Output the result along with the corresponding facility name. Order the result based on the lowest score in descending order and the facility name in ascending order. Okay, so here is the complicated, kinda complicated sorting logic, and only one table. Why is it again a medium question? Find the lowest score per each facility. So the lowest score, so we have to use min again. So here is the facility ID. Let's use facility name, and let's hope that there are no duplicate facility names. And here is, yes, Margarita's Cafe. I've never been to Margarita's Cafe. Facility name, min, t, score. Let's check it. Oh, of course I have to add a group by clause, yeah. Group by t, facility name. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, quite a long name for a table, you see. Better use some alias here. Sequence 0, expected str instance. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Text clause found. Have no idea what's going on. Los Angeles. Min t-score. Oh, expected. Oh no, text clause found. Let's see. Let's debug it a little bit. Count 1 should work. Yeah. So something wrong with this t-store column. Something wrong with it. And let's see. Maybe it has some text data or something like this. Oh no, now it works. It was just a glitch, I believe. Yeah, that was just a glitch. LOL. And here, order the result based on the lowest score in descending order. Lowest score in descending order. So order by 2 descending and 1 ascending, yeah. And name, facility name in ascending order. Yep. What's wrong? Order by, of course, yes, order by, yes. Yeah. BB Go remote storage. Check solution. Uh-oh. Solution is incorrect. You are fired. For solution to be accepted, your output should match. Okay, I know the story. Min and official solution. Find output the result always corresponding order based on lowest score in descending order and facility name in ascending order. Facility name. I have like my table is much bigger than. Oh, I see. I have to filter by Hollywood Boulevard. Okay, where T and facility address, facility. Okay, I have to select from this table one more time. Oops. Select asterisk from. How? Select from, of course, yes. The table name is too long that I'm so scared. I even forgot to type from. Serial number, score, grade, service code, service description, employee ID, facility address, facility city. Oh, I think I have to use like. I have to use like keyword to filter out this Hollywood Boulevard. So let me do it. Let's delete this line. I don't need it anymore. Uncomment this. And here where T and I will use facility address. Facility address. Facility address and like, and here I will use Hollywood Boulevard, and I add of course percentage signs, yes, because this works like regular expressions here, and here I add lower to make all letters lowercase, yes, and so here I also make it lowercase. Run code. Oops. Where? Oh yeah, I have to put it right after from and before group by, I believe. Yeah. No. What's wrong? No column. Hollywood Boulevard does not exist. Of course, yes, because I have to use single quotes here, not double ones. Yes, in SQL it matters. So no records found. No records found. And I see a tip from Channel Birds, and Channel Birds says that they use abbreviation here. Yeah, and again I have to make a select from original table to figure out this abbreviation like this, and select star from, and this monstrous, absolutely monstrous table name. Let's see. Here's BLVD. Yes, that's how you abbreviate boulevard. And here I will put it here. BLVD. And oh, I have to get rid of this one. Bam. And the number of rows seems correct. Solved. Yeah. So this question just tests your understanding and your knowledge of like operator and ability to use it and to analyze. By the way, yes, you have to analyze the data a bit to find out that you have to use this abbreviation. Okay, let's find another one. Yelp. Businesses open on Sunday. Sounds great. Find the number of businesses that are open on Sundays. Output the slot of operating hours along with the corresponding number of businesses open during those time slots. Order records by total number of businesses opened during those hours in descending order. Two tables. And they have varchars here. Yes, mostly varchars. Yelp business hours. Let's read one more time. Find the number of businesses that are open on Sundays. Okay. Output the slot of operating hours along with the corresponding number of businesses. And here we have just a table where you can find each column corresponds to a day of week, and here we have the time slot. Okay. And what the first column is business ID. Business ID. Too difficult. Go next. Yeah, the description here is a bit boring. Yes, I agree. Sounds difficult, but I don't understand why do I need the second table. Seems like I can go without it. Is open because I can from this table I can figure out if business works on Sunday. Yes, so I can filter just if Sunday is not null. That's it. Are open on Sundays. I'll put the slot of operating hours along with the corresponding. I don't even need to filter. I think I just can do it like we can't even understand the problem. Yeah. Yeah, we just have to calculate perform a value counts for each time slot in Sunday column. That's it. So here is Sunday and count 1. That's it. Group by T Sunday. Too fast. T Sunday. Yes, I forgot the alias here. Yeah, and I don't need this empty one. So I will add where T Sunday is not null, like this, and order records by total number of businesses open during those hours in descending order. Okay, order by to descending. Olegas, what business problem can be solved with this solution? If none, just skip this shit. Yeah, but you know this, like you have to you have to separate real business problems from the problems on for interview. Yes, that's two separate words. You see, so that's we are solving like typical interview problems in order to be fluent in these interview problems. Yes, we need this skill in order to solve our product. Yes, which are our skills in data analysis or data science. Yes, so I recommend you to always discriminate between like your product, your actual working skills, and your selling skills. Yes, because this is needed to sell yourself. You see, here we are working on our sales. Yes, not on our skills basically. But in SQL, this two is highly correlated, because like if you're good at real SQL, you will be good at interview questions also. But for example, if we are speaking about software engineer jobs, yes, where you have to solve algorithmic problems. So here is like you can be a very good engineer, but know nothing about lead code. You see, that's the very normal situation. You see. And in order to, yes, sell yourself, yes, because that's what you do when you are going to job interview or job market, yes. So you can sell, you can say you sell your skills, yes, if you don't like this, like sell yourself. But basically, yes, you are selling your time, and that's important skill to do it. Yeah. So here we have it. Check solution. Failed. Oh my god. So what another requirement here? Order records by total number open during 2 hours in descending order. Order records by total number of businesses opened during those hours in descending order. So, let's see. So, for some reason, they don't have this interval. Why? Maybe I should use second table is open. What do we have in the second table? Business ID, name, neighborhood, address, city, state, postal code, latitude, longitude, stars, city of stars, review count is open, categories. Yeah, but you see, I agree with you. I don't like this question. Yeah, that's let's select from this table and see. Run code. I want to look at is open column, is open 1. So I don't understand what do they want from me. So let's see the solution and understand what's wrong with me. Solution from users, solution discussion. Okay. Recommended Postgres solution by Stratascratch. Okay. Sunday count as total businesses. Yes. It's a ridiculous choice of alias here. Yes. Why do choose so? Why do they choose the long one? Hi, the Grange. Hi. Left join L business on business hours. Business ID, okay. Where Sunday is not null, yes. Oh, you just have to filter it by this flag, yes. So that's okay. That's really stupid question, Oleg. I totally agree with you. It is stupid even for the interview game. Solutions, easy way. Yeah, but you know, when you are practicing, it's not really good practice to spend a lot of time on a single problem. You better go, yes, when you like start to when you are stumble on some hard question. You better to skip it, yes, and build your practice with simpler one, yes. So if you are training yourself, yes, if you are like preparing yourself to job interview, yes, you have to have regular training sessions, and your training session should not be a challenge, never, because if you have a challenge, every single practice, every single workout, that's not sustainable. You cannot have it for a long run. You will stop it, I don't know, in 1 week or 2 weeks. You see? So if you want to build this skill, make your practice easy. Yes, not like make it not challenging. That's it. Yes, it could be like not very easy. Yes, but it should not challenge you very much. You can make yourself a challenge maybe once a week or once in a 2 week. Yes, to check your skills. Yeah, you can, I don't know, sit and try to solve I don't know, 3 questions and like do it no matter what. Yes, so choose 3 questions, sit and try to solve it. That's your challenge, but not do it every workout. Workout should be calm and like doable, you see, not challenging. Okay, same for my stream. Yes, I don't like to here to wasting a lot of time on one question, because it's boring for me and that's boring for you. Yes, because we want to like we like to move. Today I set Docker image of Jupyter notebook with unique token during 10 minutes with helping ChatGPT. Cool. I don't nothing about terminal and command in console. Only copy paste. Yeah, cool. So that's ChatGPT here is helping you with Docker, with learning Docker. Yes. That's one of many use cases of this new tool. But by the way, today I solved it myself, but I have ChatGPT here. Maybe I try something with it. Here again, ranking hosts by bets. There have some kind of obsession about bets, I believe. Rank guests based on their ages. Airbnb ranking most active guests. Yes, let's have a ranking question. And that's 47 likes. Pretty popular for Stratascratch, you see. Rank guests based on the number of messages they've exchanged with the hosts. Guests with the same number of messages as other guests should have the same rank. Okay. Do not skip rankings if the preceding rankings are identical. Do not skip if the preceding rankings are identical. Yes, so they are here implying on the particular SQL function named dense rank. Output the rank, guest ID and number of total messages they've sent, ordered by highest number of total messages first. Yeah, better than Google. If you have mistake, give to GPT and he tell about all problems and how to decide it. Very cool. Yeah, I love GPT. Yeah, but again, here, yes, you have make a very crucial distinction between Google and ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT generates the answer. Yes, and you have to validate this answer yourself alone. When you are using Google, you also have to validate what you are finding in Google. Yes, but like Google does a bit of validation for you, because when you Google and when you have some page in a top of the Google page, that means that this page is useful, that other users used it, appreciate it. So that's a bit of validation. And also, yes, when you use Google, it gives you links to human generated content. Yes, because you see, for example, if you have a content from me, from Gleb Mikhailov, yes, you trust me, yes, and you trust my content. Because you know my other content, you know my track record, and you don't have to validate this content if you trust me. Yes, if we are talking about some small things like SQL, yes, because I want also to make like say that you always have to validate anything you find in your life. Yes, speaking of any content, yes, any video, any teaching, any advice, etc. Yes, you have always like to make your judgment about anything you find. Yeah. So again, coming back to ChatGPT, you have to be careful. And in IT, yes, when you are solving different coding problems, like you said you were using it for Docker, yes, you can easily check if it works or not. So for this task, it's great, yes. But for example, if you want to learn something new, what you have no idea about. For example, if you want to learn something, for example, about, I don't know, quantum computer, yes? So in this case, you better start with Googling it and going to Wikipedia and read the page about quantum computing, instead of using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT generates content and it can do it it can have incorrect content, and in case of something completely new to you, you have no idea how to validate it. You see, and you go to Google anyway in this case. Okay, yeah, but ChatGPT is great, but you have to understand what it is. Rank guess. That was a pretty long speech. Yeah, cool. Rank guess based on number of messages they've exchanged with the hosts. Guests with the same number of messages as other guests should have the same rank. Oh yeah. We have to do not skip ranking if the preceding ranking are identical. So we are ranking again number of messages. So here and messages, ID guests, yeah, rank guests, yep. So I have to do it like this: T guest ID sum T and messages, and here is the T. Here is the T and messages, and I will sum it by this. Group by T guest ID. What's wrong? T guest ID. Some okay. Column T does not exist. ID guests. ID guests, of course. Yep, here it is. ID guest. And I have to rank them by this number, and I have to use, I think I can use dense rank here. Yes, dense rank. Oh, maybe I can dense rank over, and I don't have any partition here, so I will just use over order by, and here I will use these T messages like this. Let's try. Dense not range, dense rank, of course, yes. Column T and messages must appear. Oh, I ordered by count. Yes, I like this. Run code. Yep, you can use. But why we have dense rank of 1 here? Maybe if I add partition here, partition by T ID guest. I know that I can solve it and I should solve it with like subquery, but I just because in some solutions I saw that you can use this window function with aggregate functions, yes, but I am old-fashioned and I always use it with subquery, and right now I wanted to learn to do it, yes, but I don't understand how to do it, so I will revert it to my first query like this, and ID guest. Why error near some T and messages. ID guest. Yep. And now I will create a subquery, a CT expression with a message MSG KNT. I will call it like this, MSG KNT. Select asterisk from MSG KNT T. Run code. Yep. And here's the T ID guest and dense rank over order by, and I have to SMSG KNT also bam over order by T MSG KNT, like this. Dense rank syntax error. What's wrong? Order by, yes. Order by, of course. Syntax error. Dense rank over or 2 times by. 2 times by. Yep. Here we go. Good luck. I will go work again. Yeah. Good luck. Output the rank, guest ID, and number of total messages. The rank. We've sent order by the highest number of total messages first. Okay. We have order by TMSG KNT descending. Yeah, and here. Oh, and we have to guess some messages. Do not, and we have to use descending here also, I believe. Yep. And let's have the number of messages here also. MSG KNT. So guests with the same number of messages as other guests should have the same rank. Yes. Do not skip ranking. Yes, we are not skipping rankings. If the preceding ranking are identical. Yes, output the rank, guest ID, and number of total messages they've sent. Yeah, I think that's it. Solved. Yeah, cool. Cool. So I think now it's time for non-coding questions. Yeah. Non-coding questions time. That's the very fun. Always the most fun part of my streams here. Non-coding questions. And in non-coding questions, I will ask ChatGPT to help me. Probably. In probability, probably. Because I'm not really good in probability, yes, I say. Let me prepare my blackboard, and I will just clean it. Yeah, here it is. Here is my blackboard. I want to have it here. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, and yeah, by the way, now if you want to mark the question as solved, you have to leave some comment, yes, with the solution. But I did not do it, so I don't know. Let's see. Capital 1. What is more likely? Yes, I like it. What is more likely? Getting at least 1 6 in 6 rolls, or at least 2 6s in 12 rolls, or at least 100 6s in 600 rolls. What is more likely? Getting 1 6 in 6 rolls. So here, yes, what's the probability of getting 1 6 in 6 rolls? How can we calculate it? Yeah, at least 1 6. What's the probability of getting at least 1 6? So we have to calculate the probability of getting no sixes in 6 rolls. How can we do it? How can we calculate the probability of getting no single 6 in 6 rolls? So we have to okay, what's the probability of not getting a 6 in a single roll? Yes, that's easy. The probability of getting no 6 in 1 roll is 5 over 6. Yeah, so we can that's the probability of getting no 6. Okay. So what's the probability of getting 1 6 in 1 roll? Yes, is 1 6. 1 over 6. Very easy. Now, what's the probability of getting at least 1 6, for example, in 2 rolls? So at least 1 6. So we have to, again, I think, calculate the probability of getting no 6s. So the probability of getting no 6s in 2 rolls is 5 over 6 to the power of 2. Yes, and the probability of getting at least 1 is 1 minus 5 this one. Yeah, so let's see. Here is the calculation. Let's see, for the first one, yes, getting at least 1 6 in 6 rolls. First one, yes, that's the first case. Second case is at least 2 6s in 12 rolls. At least 2 6s. How to calculate that? At least 2. Let's think how to calculate at least 2. I don't know actually how to calculate it. So at least 1 is easy, and at least 2 is not that easy. Okay, that's how I think about any problem. Let's simplify it. What's the probability of getting at least 2 6 in 2 rolls? Yes, let's see. I can have only 2 rolls. What the probability of getting at least what's the probability of getting at least 2 6s? So if I have only 2 rolls, it will be 1 over 6 to the power of 2. Yes. Let's think, for example, now I have 3 rolls. What's the probability of getting at least 2 6s in 3 rolls? So here is the roll 1, the roll 2, the roll 3. Yes, and I have the how many cases? Yes, I can have 1 6 here, 1 6 here. Yes. Second, I have 1 6 here, 1 6 here, and I can have 1 6 here, 1 6 here. Yes, and that's it. Yes, I think that's it. So there are only 3 cases in which I can get at least 2 6s like this. And the probability here is and so it doesn't matter what I have here. The probability of this case is 1 over 6 times 5 over 6. Yes, because here we don't. Oh, and also at least 2 also the fourth case. Yes, when I have all 6s, that also suits the condition of having at least 2. Yeah, so here is the and we can calculate it. 1 over 6 times 5 over 6 times 1 over 6. Yes, here is the same. 1 over 6 times 5 over 6 times 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Yes, that's the same. Here is, yes, 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 times 5 over 6. And here 1 over 6 to the power of 3. But actually I cannot come up with the formula for this now. Yes, but I think it should be really simple formula. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT for this question, because actually I don't know how to calculate it. How at least 2 6s in 12 rows. I don't know. as I said, I'm no good in probability question. The probability of getting at least 1 6 in 6 rolls of a single-sided of a single 6-sided die is about 67%. So that's the key. Let's calculate it. Yes, I don't know if it correct. 1 minus 5 over 6 to the power power of 2. So 0.30 and 0.3, and here is maybe my result is maybe my calculation is incorrect, I don't know, but ChatGPT is very bad at probability question from my past experience. The probability of getting at least 2 6s in 12 rolls is about 44%, and the probability of getting at least 100 6s in 600 rolls is about 0.000. That's ridiculous. That's cannot be that low, or maybe it can. We will check now with the solution from Stratascratch. So the probability of getting at least 1 6 in 6 rolls is the more likely, followed by the probability of getting at least 2 6s in 12 rolls, and the probability of getting at least 106 in 600 rolls is the least likely. Hi, why are you using in first case power 2, not 6? Here, because that's the probability of getting, as I explained, yes, as I explained, the probability, yeah, good question actually. And if I use, and what if I change it to, yeah, maybe I should use, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Thank you for your tip. Yes, that's correct, because again, I have here 6 rolls. That this 2 was for just 2 rolls. Yes, and of course we have 6 rolls. So if we have 6 here, yes, so that's the probability of getting no 6s in 6 rolls. Yes, and that's how we calculate this one. But I don't understand. How we get this 44 and then this really small number. Don't you afraid that GPT would make you more lazy? Absolutely not. Same as my smartphone is not making me lazy, as Google not making me lazy, and any other automatization and convenience in life do not make me lazy. It makes me more powerful, actually. It makes me more creative. Because if it works, if some automation works really well, it spares me from some boring tasks which I don't like, the tasks which is not creative, and it leaves me as a human only tasks that human can solve, only I can solve, only my creative mind can solve, and all the boring tasks I outsource to some technology. And we're doing it more and more in current times. So let's see the answer here, how to calculate second one. Solution discussion. Oh, here's the... this question is an example of binomial probability binomial probability can be whoa, it was very powerful speech, thank you. This question is an example of a binomial probability. Binomial probability can be described as the probability of getting a certain number of successes in a certain number of trials. Yes, agree. The general equation of binomial probability for at least a number of successes is 6n trials can be written as. So that's, I cannot read to you, yes, because I'm no good at reading alien language. So yes, actually that's this problem only requires you to know the binomial formula, that's it. And actually that's why I don't really like the probability question, because yes, here it just requires me to know the formula, that's it. So here, where x is the number of times, if we have a fair dice, the probability of getting a 6, yes. Conversely, the probability of getting other than 6 in a single roll would be 1 minus p equals 5 over 6, yep. And let's see, the first one, that's what I can come up with just logic, yes, and with the help of Ruslan, yes, who fixed my power here. Yes, I had a power of 2, yes, from my like starting logic, but of course I should have 6 here. Yes, but actually, anyway, I arrived at this formula just by common sense. Yes, that's I love doing. But the second one is complicated, yes, and you have to use this formula, and you have the probability here of 0.616, yes, and here for the third case the probability is 499, 0.499. Thus it can be concluded that getting at least 1 6 in 6 rolls is the most likely among other options. So the answer, yes, of what case is more likely corresponds with ChatGPT's answer, but the calculations here in ChatGPT is absolutely incorrect. Yes, that's just crazy. Where these numbers coming from, we don't know. Let's see. Let's ask it. Can you show me the formula for getting 44%? 44%? Question mark. Sure. I'm glad you're so sure, machine. To calculate the probability of getting at least 2 6s in 12 rolls of a single 6-sided die, we can use the formula for probability of an event occurring at least a certain number of times. This is given by to find, and you see it. Oh, let's by the way check. The correct answer here should be 0.616, yes. So, and you see the machine is very confident about its answer, but the answer is incorrect. And I don't want to analyze what's wrong with this answer actually. I just know it's incorrect, and let's actually leave a feedback. Harmful is not true. Yes. Submit feedback. Let's improve. Yes, let's help to improve this tool, because I wanted to solve probability question in the future. This is not true. Yes, that's it. So, guys, I think we can call it a day for today's stream. Thank you very much for being here with me, for your responses, for your chat, for your help, for your jokes. That's what's really cool, really fun. See you next week. Bye bye. Bye guys. Thank you.